Hello, welcome everyone. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to produce a liquid soap or a liquid detergent. Most people call it liquid soap, most people call it liquid detergent. I want to teach you guys how to produce a liquid detergent or liquid soap with just 2 ingredients. I have made this video before, but I did that with 2 liters. So I want to teach you how to produce this liquid soap of 2 ingredients with 5 liters of water. So we are making use of just 2 ingredients. We are making use of the SLS, which is also called the sodium lauryl sulfate. Then we are making use of the sodium sulfate. So SLS and sodium sulfate. So I'm making use of 5 liters of water. I will pour the rest of the water after the production. When I'm done producing the liquid soap, I will pour the remaining quantity of water into the liquid soap production to increase the quantity of the liquid soap. So just watch this video and learn how to produce this by yourself at home. And don't forget to check the description of this video if you are interested in joining my online classes that goes on WhatsApp. You check the description of this video for the link where you can click on the link and it will take you to the class on WhatsApp. But if you have difficulty joining the class through the link, then you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen. You chat me up on WhatsApp through the phone number displayed on the screen to be added to the class directly. So after 1 hour of dissolving my chemicals, this is how it looks like. Most of the chemicals have dissolved in the water. So I'm going to mix them together in the mixing bowl. Don't forget, we are producing 5 liters of liquid soap with just 2 ingredients. We are making use of just 2 ingredients. Now the result of this type of production is that the liquid soap will come out very transparent. Just in case you want to produce transparent liquid soap, then this method is for you. And also I have ebooks for sale. If you need ebooks, you can reach me on that number displayed on the screen to purchase your ebook. The ebook is for those that won't have time to join the online class. You can purchase the ebook. It's very informative. There's a lot of information embedded in my ebooks. You will really benefit after you've purchased it. It's very informative. So many skincare formulation, household cleaning agent formulations are inside my ebook. A lot of information you will need as a soap maker or as a formulator, you will get them in that ebook. So after I have mixed my sodium sulfate and my SLS, which is my sodium lauryl sulfate, together, the mixture will start thickening up. To start becoming thick. So you can see how it looks like. It is thickening up. This is how it's supposed to look like. This is after you've mixed your sodium sulfate and your SLS, which is also called sodium lauryl sulfate, together. It's going to thicken up like this. So at this point, this is the best time to add your fragrance. You add your fragrance, any fragrance of your choice. You add it, then you stir it. When I'm done, I will keep this for 24 hours for it to become clear and look like liquid soap. Then also I organize another training. This is for those that want to package their products in nylon, in cartons, or in stickers. I have a training for that if you're a formulator and you don't know how to package your product, then reach me on WhatsApp to join our packaging class. You'll be taught on how to print on nylon so that you can package your laundry bar soap. You'll be taught on how to produce stickers for your cosmetics, such as your body cream, your hair cream, your liquid soap, your spray perfume, any of your packaging that will need stickers. Then you'll be taught on how to package your soap with cartons. So reach me on the number displayed on the screen to join our packaging class if you need to learn how to package. So after 24 hours, you can see how transparent our liquid soap looks like, and it is very thick. You can choose to dilute it with the remaining water that was left. Don't forget, you're making use of 5 liters of water. So this is the point where you add the color, if you want to add color. But if you don't want to add color and you want it to be transparent like this, then don't add your color. If your customers will need something transparent, then there's no point of adding color. But if you know that they will want it to look colorful, then you can now choose to add your color at this point. You add your color and you stir it. This our mixture is very thick. You can choose to dilute it with more water at this point. Don't forget, you are making use of you are producing 5 liters. But if it is very thick, you can add more water. You can see ours is very thick, so we have added more water to dilute it. So this is a very simple and easy project for those that want to produce liquid soap easily and don't want to go through the stress of adding plenty chemicals. This is a very easy method to use. So don't forget to check the description of this video to join our online class if you wish to learn how to produce soap, detergent, liquid soap, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, the organic soap, organic body creams. If you want to learn all these, then you can reach me to join the online class. If you need ebooks are available. If you want to learn how to package your product, if you're a formulator, you want to learn packaging, you can also do it by reaching me on WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to those that you think will need to learn this skill. It's a very, very lucrative skill. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, very, very important, so that you'll be updated on my new videos. Thank you and goodbye.